I recorded that. Is it still recording? Okay, go. You know, I didn't get to drink soda. No, it's okay. Later. Mom,
Yeah, with this gravy, with potato, with crackers. First, you get gravy, then you get the potato on the side and wait.
you know Christopher likes the camera or something? Like everything he sees the camera, he jumps in front of it.
You don't realize that he
You remember we went to the zoo and he was all over our pictures?